The MSI GE66 Raider features a 15.6-inch QHD gaming display. The display has a high refresh rate of 240 Hz, delivering smooth and fluid gameplay. It is powered by the Intel Core i9-11980HK processor, which is part of Intel's 11th generation mobile processors. The i9-11980HK is a high-end processor with 8 cores and 16 threads. The processor provides exceptional performance for gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The laptop comes with a dedicated graphics card, usually NVIDIA GeForce RTX series. The powerful graphics card ensures immersive and realistic gaming experiences. It offers ample RAM options, typically 16 GB or 32 GB, for seamless multitasking. The GE66 Raider provides fast storage options such as SSD for quick boot times and data access. It has a sleek and aggressive design, appealing to gamers. The laptop features customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their gaming setup. The robust cooling system ensures optimal performance during extended gaming sessions. It has a durable build quality to withstand the rigors of gaming on the go. The laptop supports Thunderbolt 4 connectivity for high-speed data transfer and external display support. It comes with a variety of ports, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and Ethernet. The GE66 Raider features a comfortable and responsive keyboard with per-key RGB lighting. The keyboard offers a satisfying typing experience and is suitable for gaming. The laptop's touchpad is smooth and accurate, providing precise control. It has a built-in HD webcam for video conferencing and streaming purposes. The laptop offers an impressive audio experience with high-quality speakers. It supports high-definition audio output and features dynamic audio technology. The GE66 Raider comes pre-installed with Windows 10 operating system. It provides a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of software. The laptop is VR-ready, allowing users to enjoy virtual reality gaming experiences. It offers advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. The GE66 Raider has a long-lasting battery life, allowing for extended gaming sessions on the go. It supports fast charging, enabling quick battery top-ups. The laptop's display features thin bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience. It has a wide color gamut, displaying vibrant and accurate colors. The GE66 Raider features a durable and easy-to-clean chassis. It offers multiple performance modes to optimize power and performance based on user preferences. The laptop supports external GPU docking for enhanced graphics performance. It comes with pre-installed software for system optimization and performance monitoring. The GE66 Raider features advanced thermal management for efficient heat dissipation. It supports multi-monitor setups, allowing for enhanced productivity and immersive gaming experiences. The laptop offers customizable macro keys for quick access to commands and shortcuts. It has a responsive and accurate fingerprint sensor for secure login. The GE66 Raider features a high-speed SD card reader for fast data transfer. It offers ample storage options, including configurations with multiple SSDs. The laptop's display has an anti-glare coating, reducing reflections and eye strain. It supports external 4K displays for a more immersive gaming or productivity setup. The GE66 Raider offers excellent build quality and durability for long-term use. It has a comfortable and ergonomic design for extended gaming sessions. The laptop's audio system supports 7.1-channel virtual surround sound. It features a variety of audio jacks for headphone and microphone connectivity. The GE66 Raider supports Windows Hello facial recognition for secure and convenient login. It has a wide selection of gaming-centric software and utilities. The laptop's design includes strategically placed vents for efficient airflow. It supports advanced gaming features such as ray tracing and DLSS. The GE66 Raider offers excellent performance in CPU-intensive tasks such as video rendering and 3D modeling. It comes with pre-installed software for system backup and recovery. The laptop supports external GPU upgrades for future-proofing. It has a durable and responsive touchpad with gesture support. The GE66 Raider features a reinforced chassis for enhanced durability. It offers a variety of performance profiles for different usage scenarios. The laptop supports high-bandwidth memory for faster data access. It has a wide selection of ports and connectors for peripheral device connectivity. The GE66 Raider features advanced networking capabilities for lag-free online gaming. It supports MSI's Dragon Center software for system optimization and monitoring. The laptop's display has wide viewing angles for a consistent visual experience. It features a user-friendly BIOS interface for system configuration and overclocking. The GE66 Raider offers excellent gaming performance in popular titles at high settings. It supports Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate for enhanced gaming visuals and performance. The laptop's speakers provide clear and immersive audio during gameplay and multimedia consumption. It offers a comfortable palm rest area for extended typing or gaming sessions. The GE66 Raider features a durable and spill-resistant keyboard design. It offers customizable fan control settings for balancing noise and performance. The laptop supports external microphone connectivity for high-quality voice recording. It comes with dedicated software for system monitoring and performance optimization. The GE66 Raider offers easy access to internal components for future upgrades or maintenance. It features a reliable and fast wired internet connection through Ethernet connectivity. The laptop's design includes a reinforced hinge for increased durability. It offers advanced gaming features such as G-Sync for tier-free gaming. The GE66 Raider supports multi-zone RGB lighting for an impressive visual effect. It has a compact and portable design for gaming on the go. The laptop supports high-speed USB data transfer for quick file sharing. It features a responsive and accurate optical mouse for precise control. The GE66 Raider offers excellent performance in demanding software applications. It supports advanced video encoding and decoding technologies for multimedia editing. The laptop's display features high pixel density for sharp and detailed visuals. It has a wide selection of keyboard shortcuts for quick access to system functions. The GE66 Raider offers customizable performance settings for power users and enthusiasts. It features a sturdy and reliable power adapter for uninterrupted gaming sessions. The laptop supports multiple display modes for extended desktop or mirror display setups. It offers a range of security features, including BIOS password protection and secure boot. The GE66 Raider comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. It features a variety of energy-saving options for improved battery life. The laptop supports external audio devices such as headphones and speakers. It comes with pre-installed software for game recording and streaming. The GE66 Raider offers high-quality video playback and streaming capabilities. It features an intuitive and user-friendly interface for system customization. The laptop's design includes reinforced corners for added durability. It supports advanced AI technologies for improved gaming performance and efficiency. The GE66 Raider offers a variety of accessories and peripherals for an enhanced gaming experience. It features a reliable and fast Wi-Fi connection for online gaming and streaming. The laptop supports advanced display technologies such as HDR. It offers customizable backlighting options for the keyboard. The GE66 Raider features a large and responsive trackpad for precise cursor control. It comes with a comprehensive user manual and documentation for easy setup and usage. The laptop offers excellent value for gamers and power users seeking high-performance computing.